Is yours the M2? Yeah. Oh, I do have questions about that.
There you go.
Want to go over and talk?
Hi guys, my name
Hey.
is Jade.
My name is Oscar.
We're Skinny Car Guys, by the way.
Welcome to our channel.
Okay, so this video, I just want to talk about doing maintenance service for modified cars. So I got my car from Valencia BMW. Did the European delivery when it was still in demand, and most people are doing markups for the M2. So they gave me no markups, gave me the discount for the European delivery. And I've been doing all my maintenance services with them. As I'm not sure if you guys know, but my car is modified from basically from head to toe.
I think that both of our cars are modified head to toe. But
So yeah, so this day a few weeks ago I got an email from BMW.
oh, you did?
Yeah, they were warning me that if I don't bring my car in for service, it's gonna be against the
Oh, policy.
in violation of the warranty thing.
Oh, really?
So yeah, I hit up Cole. So he's the service specialist at BMW,
Okay.
and I always bring my car to him for maintenance.
Nice.
So every time I bring my car in, he gives me like what we have right now. It's an X3.
Okay. Is this the 2020 or which?
I'm not sure. It
what
has
year?
1,300 miles so far. So I
That's brand
think
new
it's
still.
it's a new one. Can you check if it's recording?
I did quick timeout.
Yeah, so Cole, he's been really awesome. So I just sent him a message on Instagram, then he schedules my appointment, sets everything up. I got this service car instead of waiting for my car to be there. And actually, I just dropped off my car about an hour ago, and he already told me that it's done.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So he always gets the best tech
Service.
he has.
How long did it take for the service?
1 hour, less than 1 hour.
Oh shit. What'd you
Yeah.
end up getting done on your M2?
It's just a service, so I think it's just a microfilter, and they're gonna do those checks and oil change.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. In less than an hour? Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
How'd
So we're taking back this X3 now. It's so comfortable.
It is. Being the passenger, I mean, it's a lot of leg room. I'm actually like, my legs are flopping.
Look at the
Like,
roof. Oh shit! I didn't realize this is big.
oh fuck. This is one of those roofs you can lower like the back seat.
Yeah.
And you can see like, do like star
I
glazing.
don't know what they call it.
What you call it? Star
Moon roof?
glazing?
I don't know.
Can't be a moon roof.
No.
Star glazing roof? Damn. Hashtag star glazing roof. Just kidding.
Glazing like
Dude.
like a donut.
I know, right? Glazing, yeah, right? Dude, this leather is like not stiff leather too. It's like,
Yeah, BMW has.
it's a weird.
You know,
like-
their leather. Sometimes it's synthetic. I think they call it Sensitech.
Oh.
It feels like leather. It smells like leather, but it's not leather. But it lasts really long and it doesn't crack.
Oh, really? It's like a, yeah, it's like a soft, really soft leather. Like a broken in leather, if that makes sense.
Look at their lighting over here. I was selling coal, but they have really good lighting. Hey guys, got coal here.
Hey, I'm Cole from Valencia BMW. If you need anything with your service needs on your BMW, just come to me and let me know and I'll help you out.
Is yours the M2? Yeah. Oh, I do have questions about that.
There you go.
Want to go over and talk?
Nothing. It's stock.
Really? Yeah. That's not stock.
Yeah, it didn't do anything.
There's no way that's stock. That can't be stock. See, I know half of these cars are stock. There's no way that's stock.
I'm not gonna lie, everybody was very friendly in there.
Very.
Even with Cole and everything. Considering that I've never been there, ever. And we have people looking at me because I'm holding the camera while we drive. It's like the most weirdest thing. Oh shit. That always puts a smile.
Make
Go
it
ahead.
pop.
You want to pop, 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 pop. Here we go. Hey, damn.
Well, I think that's it for this video, right?
Yeah, this is pretty much it. It was just pretty much how the experience is with maintenance if you got a supercar, like Jadrian said, Handmade just said earlier. And
I don't think it's a supercar.
it's a
It's
supercar.
just a humble modified car, but it's not a supercar.
He says that it's not,
It's not.
but low key it is. Low key it is. Just kidding, just kidding. And then not supercar. Oh yeah, race car. We'll just say race car. Make it simple. Race car.
A street car.
Street car. Street modified car.
Yeah, so once again, thanks Valencia BMW and Cole
And who was the other one?
for
John?
taking care of my car.
Was it John?
John.
John?
John.
John? The one we were about to test out?
Oh, John.
John. Yeah.
John.
I don't know. You mentioned a John.
I don't know. Just shut it off.
Oh, okay. My bad. There's no John. All right. See you guys later.